So, ladies and gentlemen, seem to lead the lowering of the time capsule, and we shall be inserting the plans as well as the of the Philippine Star today, as well as a couple of coins. We shall be packing it tightly. This time capsule, ladies and gentlemen, will be opened 50 years from now for a future generation to learn more about our generation. And the time capsule is lowered into its receptacle. The President shall...
Country. Itong ginagawa ng NLEX, itong exit, and with the SLEX, which is private sector again, which belongs to the Metro Pacific Group, and the SLEX, and all of this, that will make two ways to have the today's event attests to the spirit of the Philippines on the verge of...
Kasalukuyan po ay waiting na ng ating mahal na Pangulo ang ating photo exhibit. Kinonstruct itong segment 8.1 habang binabaybay po nila yung kahabaan yung segment na yun. Kasalukuyan po ay waiting na ng ating mahal na Pangulo ang ating photo exhibit. Ang iba't ibang mga proyekto.
Ano ho tayong track ban? Sasampan na lang. Ay, dilim-dilim niya, no? Pagdapat dito, ayan. Kakawin.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the inauguration of the Crossing Quirino building of the permanent marker of the newly completed project.
Ma'am, big balikan.
Thank you, Madam President. The President shall also lead the pass along the northern part of the EDSA.
Ma'am, kaway ma'am.
Bante!
Bante! Lapas mo dyan sa ano?
Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo.
Dali! Diba? Sige! Hey!
Nasaan ba? Araw yan, araw. Oh! Ilaw, papatay ilaw! Hop!
Stop na. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Maria Pagpagan Arroyo!
Hi, ma'am!
Sa ating po mga kasama, lalo-lalo ng ating mahal na Pangulo, ito pong kalsadang ito yung tinatawag natin na Congressional Extension. Ito po may haba na 2.8 kilometers.
Ang importante, anong connection niya?
Ang magiging ko and then SLEX. tuloy na po ng C5 yun. Doon sa may Libis area. Opo. Yung kadiretsuhan na yun, nagbubuhos po tayo konkreto na nagbubuhos po tayo para doon sa Sora na po yung Bado President. Ma'am, yung po yung nag...
Congratulations, ha, sa kalsada. Okay. Congratulations.